Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
The microenvironment. Every business, regardless of its size or industry, operates within its own unique internal environment. This internal environment, which consists of all the factors that a business has control over, is known as the microenvironment. To put it simply, the microenvironment is like the engine of a car. It's what makes the business function on a daily basis. In this lesson, we'll break down the different components of the microenvironment, so you can understand how they interact and contribute to the success of a business. Think of the microenvironment as the internal operating system that drives every decision, process, and action within a business. What is the microenvironment? The microenvironment includes everything that happens inside the business. It's where all the decisions are made, and the plans are put into action to ensure the business operates smoothly. Imagine you're running a small café. You decide what to put on the menu, how much to charge for coffee, who to hire as staff, and how to decorate the café. All these activities are part of your microenvironment. The microenvironment is completely controlled by the business. This is different from the external environments, market and macro, which the business can only respond to, not control. The components of the microenvironment. To understand the microenvironment, we need to look at its key components and how each part plays a crucial role in ensuring the business's success. 1. Vision, mission statement, goals, and objectives. Understanding the vision, mission statement, goals, and objectives of a business is essential because these elements guide everything a company does. They provide direction, purpose, and a clear plan for the future. Let's break down each of these concepts in more detail to better understand their role in business success. Vision. A vision is a business's long-term dream. It's where the company sees itself in the future. It's a guiding light, setting the course for the business and providing employees with a sense of purpose. The vision statement is typically broad and aspirational, aiming to inspire everyone within the company to work toward a shared future. Example: imagine there's a company called Green Cycle that manufactures bicycles. Their vision might be to be the global leader in eco-friendly transportation solutions, revolutionizing how people commute by promoting sustainability. This vision illustrates that Green Cycle is not just about selling bicycles. They are working towards becoming an industry leader in promoting eco-friendly transportation options worldwide. It gives the entire business something to strive toward, making a global impact on how people travel while caring for the environment. It motivates employees to see their work as part of a bigger purpose. The vision is essential because it acts as the foundation for all future plans and strategies within the company. It gives the company a long-term direction to work toward, ensuring that all efforts are aligned to achieve this overarching goal. Mission statement. A mission statement explains the core reason why the business exists. It focuses on the present and describes the daily activities the company engages in to reach its vision. While the vision statement is about the future, the mission statement is about what the company does today to move towards that vision. It defines the company's purpose, values, and the key objectives it seeks to achieve in the short term. Let's look at this example. For Green Cycle, the mission could be to design and deliver high-performance bicycles that reduce carbon footprints, promote healthy lifestyles, and support local communities through sustainable practices. This mission statement defines exactly what Green Cycle does. It makes bicycles products that help reduce carbon emissions for environmental benefit, improve health, which is a lifestyle benefit, and support sustainable practices. This helps customers and employees understand the company's values and goals in a very concrete way. The mission statement is crucial because it guides the daily operations of the business. It defines the company's key activities and ensures that every part of the organization is focused on delivering value in alignment with the company's core purpose. Goals. Goals are broad, long-term plans that give the company a sense of direction and purpose. They are typically set for the medium to long term and are intended to guide the business in reaching its vision. Unlike a mission, which focuses on the company's immediate purpose, goals outline where the company wants to be in the future, helping to create a roadmap for growth and development. Example: for GreenCycle, a goal could be to sell 1 million bicycles worldwide by 2030 and reduce production waste by 50%. This goal is clear and measurable because GreenCycle has set an ambitious target to sell a large number of bicycles and drastically reduce waste in production. It gives the business a concrete target to aim for, thereby motivating teams and departments to work together to make the goal a reality. The goal helps the business focus its energy and resources on achieving measurable outcomes. By setting ambitious goals, businesses ensure that they are moving in a direction that will take them closer to their vision. Objectives. Objectives are smaller, specific, and measurable steps that businesses take to achieve their larger goals. While goals are broad and long-term, objectives break down the goals into actionable tasks, often with shorter time frames. They are focused on immediate action and are typically easier to measure and track. For example, to meet their goal of selling 1 million bicycles and reducing production waste, GreenCycle might set several objectives. 1. Product development. Introduce 2 new eco-friendly bicycle models within 6 months to attract a wider customer base. 2. Sales expansion. Expand the online sales platform by 20% within the next year to reach a global market. 3. Sustainable sourcing. Partner with 5 new eco-friendly suppliers within the next year to source materials sustainably. These objectives break down the larger goal of selling 1 million bicycles and reducing production waste into specific, actionable steps. Why are these elements important? The vision, mission statement, goals, and objectives are interconnected and help a business stay focused on its long-term success. The vision sets the destination, the mission statement defines how the company operates daily, goals set long-term targets, and objectives provide the concrete actions to make those goals achievable. Together, these elements ensure that everyone in the business understands the bigger picture and works toward achieving shared success.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.